Hey, Algebra 1, Mr. Schachter back at you with exponential data tables. Let's take a closer look at creating the equation of an exponential from a data table. Now, I don't know about you, but I could not tell you off the top of my head what 100 times blank gives me 108. I just don't know. So you have to ask yourself, how could I find out what I would multiply by if I moved in the downward direction? Well, you guessed it, it's to go in the reverse direction. To take the number 108 and to divide by the number on top of it, 100, okay? Now this could work for any entry. I could take this entry divided by this entry divided by this entry. But the moral of the story is you need to basically take one of the entries and divide it by the number on top of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 108 divided by 100. Okay, so let's go ahead and punch this in. So 108 divided by 100, and that's going to give me 1.08. All right, so I know that the multiplier, this guy right here, the multiplier is times 1.08. Okay, and let's just kind of double check the math for a second here. I need to make sure this multiplier carries out properly. So if I were to multiply this by 1.08, 1.08, I hopefully should get the next data entry of 116.64. Let's see what happened. Oh, I multiplied the 1.08. Whoops, try that again. 108, that's what I meant to do. 108 times 1.08. And this should give me 116.64. Yes, it does. And if I try it again, it should give me the same, the next entry. And it does, 125.97. Okay, so let's talk about what the equation would be. Remember that all exponential equations are of this form, right? So b is the multiplier, a is the initial. Well, we just calculated the multiplier. It's 1.08. The initial is the value of y when x is 0. And we have that in our data table. It's 100. So 100 times the multiplier 1.08 raised to the x power. This is the equation of the following data table. I hope that helps.